Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to hide comments. So as example, I will insert comment. You can sort the paragraph like this and then go to review menu, click on new comment. So will be appear comments in the right of the selected word. Like here I will type into example for the comment. Now, if you want to hide these comments, you can click at this icon, show comment. So it will be hide the comment and only show the comment icon. You can click to show the comment like this, or you can click another in other area to hide the comment. If you want to show again, you can click this show comment tools. So that's it for basic Microsoft Word tutorial, how to hide comment. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.